Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rennch. On today's show, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of the cars on the 2024 Targa California. Let's take a walk. Now we've got a lot of cars here. These are some of the newer of the bunch. Typically it was 1974 and earlier, but they've stretched it out a little bit in some cases. But we have, I want to say about 100 cars here at this event. And actually, I think if I do this way, the lighting will be a little better. Sort of walking right into the sun right now. But it's kind of vintage Porsche world, as well as a bunch of other makes. We like when the older cars are here generally. You know, some of the Lotuses don't have quite as much fun just because they're too modern. We've got a whole bunch of IROC cars, which are these beautiful IROC replicas that TRE Motorsports has commissioned. There's a whole bunch of guys that have built them. Here's an Alpha. I think this is my buddy Solomon's car in Vegas. Shout out to Solomon. This one right here is actually one of my favorite builds. Hopefully it's not too crazily windy right now. If it is, I'll just put music to this. Look at this cool one. Isn't that something? The Gray Ghost is here. I never back in. I hate backing in. It's my buddy Rob's car. This has been a cover model car. Basically a 911 ST. We've got a number of 356s. This is Paul from Auto Kennel here in this 928. I feel like everybody should have a 928 once in their lives. Another IROC car. This beautiful, what is it, raspberry? I forget the actual name for it, but super cool. Another Alpha. Another IROC car. Hi, excuse me. Yeah. What's cool about the Targa is everybody basically like rips their car. I mean, this is, you know, we've got some of the most beautiful twisty, windy roads. We've got this perfect weather here in Southern California. This is like a 4-day road rally that takes some of the best roads between Los Angeles and, in this case, Monterey. Monterey is where we're going to spend the next 2 nights. This one comes with a beautiful pile of cocaine. I love this color. I'm not sure if this will represent well on camera, but it's, you know me, I like a lot of greens. David Keene's 904. Awesome. This thing had a bit of an off today, unfortunately. He took a slide and ate it. So that was, we actually had 3 accidents today, which was really a bummer. Targa, we got ourselves a GT40. $914.6. This lovely Jag. Let's go. Scooch over. This is just like a sea of beautiful early 911s, all customized. You know, beautiful R group, and a whole bunch of car nerds just geeking out about these things.
Yeah, no, it's like, you gotta obviously replace it, but like, I mean.
Love it. White on white on white. Speaking of Coke. Another IROC car. Love this color. Ooh, I can't wait to make my way over to that one. That looks very cool. And these are just completely tricked out Volvos. Gutted. These guys actually drove down from Vancouver, Canada, Vancouver, not Washington, Vancouver. 356.
As soon as I had that, it made the search a lot easier.
I think this is going to be probably the most all of these cars will be together in one spot. So which is your favorite? Hit me in the comments. Let me know which one you like the best. I love this one. I love this green. I love the lights. I fucking love this car. Oh, look at that thing. How rad. What a combo.
It's going to serve my jacket too.
I love everything about this one. That's my vote. Martini livery. I think it's a 964. Like this gray on gray, you know, I'm a big fan of gray. Got a 944. Lovely black SC. It's hard to pull off brown, but this one does a nice job of it. I feel like everybody has a story about one of these cars at some point in their lives, you know? Was that E30 M3? Awesome. Little American muscle. Not many American muscle this time. A couple of Corvettes. Mustang. Yeah. Little RS look. Rad little center exhaust. Love that. All right, and this one's probably my second favorite. This one is just cool. It's even got a matching fire extinguisher in there. Yeah, love it. She's been on about as many Targas as I have. Wow, I haven't seen that today. That's impressive. Whatever. Cool thing about these cars is you can do so much with them. Love it.
Want some bugs? It's just protein.
Plenty.
Yeah.
I got plenty of my own. All right. Well, there you go. There's your walk through the Targa California. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get any footage, you know, racing or anything, but just because I don't have a mount for it. But it's always a fun time for a few days. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favorite car is in the comments.